Yawa, how are you?
Fine, sir.
This one you wear captain like Bahaushe, ko?
Yes, sir, I'm Bahaushe.
You be Hausa?
I'm the Hausa, original one. I'm from Jigawa.
You're from Jigawa?
Yes, now.
You know Alaji, you know?
I know one now.
Ah!
That way fair like this, way fat with.
Yawa, Dayamuba.
I don't know my brother.
Ah, okay. It's a brother to Dayamu.
I'm his junior brother.
Ah, okay, me and him will go for primary school together.
Serious?
Dayamuna.
Ah.
Thank
you, my brother.
By introduction, my name is Oga Caretaker Nigeria, M.O.N.
M.O.N.
Well, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
You know the meaning of the M.O.N?
No.
Mumu, one of Nigeria.
I didn't say I'm a tumin kirki. They talk about tumin kirki.
Hey, come, if you don't say no one get house for you, now me be the co-caretaker, in case you don't know.
Sorry, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
So you say which work you do again?
My work. Gen Z, they work again for this generation.
My brother is a Gen Z.
Yes, I'm just working smart.
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 You are just smart.
Yes.
You are Gen Z.
We dey work for night like this.
Work in the night.
One or two. We cash out for money.
Magawata.
You know, say my pikin, you get wisdom, go?
Yes, now.
Yawa. You see, me
Now
as
three-
your father.
Now three kind of people.
I be the caretaker.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, me.
Now me be co-caretaker.
Nothing
Small.
happen to me.
I go dey teach one or two things, sir.
You go teach me
Eh?
something.
One or two
Hey,
things.
hey,
Yes.
hey. Hold on, wait. Now only three kind of people they work for night. Number one, winch. Number two, thief. Number three, Yahoo boy.
No talk that one. I resemble Yahoo boy.
You don't ever talk to them like that.
You see, say person dey talk.
Hey, if you talk to them like that, I will slap you.
Okay, the two of na brothers.
That one, my brother, if you talk to them, I will deal with you.
Yeah, and bite
I
the
don't tell you say anytime when your finger near my face to bite you, they hungry me. It is a joke.
No problem.
So now we carry Rose girl. Put for house now. We don't bring Yahoo.
Oga, when did I tell you say I be
It's a Gen Z.
Okay, which one you be
You
inside?
see, say like this way they talk like this. I feel bring police for you, ba.
Yawa. Information of
Why? Yeah, the information of character. Why you gonna talk say I be Yahoo boy? I resemble Yahoo boy for you.
And me too, I go bring police for you for verbal assault.
Which one be verbal assault?
Verbal assault. What is that one?
Yeah, he use mouth to take knock me blow. So you know be Yahoo boy.
Yeah, I understand.
You know be Yahoo boy. So which one you be inside? Be winch, I be the thief.
I dey work smart. I'm
For-
into
and
tech. I'm
only
into
for
tech.
Eh.
Technology.
Hey, technology. Yahoo boy.
If you come up with Mala, go and bring your thing.
Okay, thank
I
you.
can't wait. It's a big national anthem.
Which one be national?
Okay.
If you know Sabi, I'm no problem.
Now.
You must sing am o. Everybody that enter this company sing national
I
anthem.
will sing on.
I beg, make I ask. When they employ me, I be when they give me room there. I don't understand which one be say I go speak, I go read national anthem.
You go answer question.
Yes.
Interview. Answer me
Yes.
question.
Then my employment,
Thank you. We dey employ you for this house as a tenant.
okay, they pay me
Yes.
salary and you want make I pay rent.
Now you dey pay rent,
Then-
but we employ you
As in,
because now you come find house.
then which one?
So you have become a citizen of this house, and citizen they pay tax.
See, I know the citizen for Nigeria sef before I even be citizen for this house. See like this, but as you they see me like this, no
You
problem.
don't know say I play football before, and they give people flying heading.
So what about that reggae like the discount?
Which one be reggae?
Then back a discount.
He say he go give me discount. Now my brother,
Now that one be
I go give
reggae.
him-
I just say reggae na music now.
no be reggae,
Reggie.
reggae.
I
beg, may you no come dey spoil our house.
Which house?
Now-
You say reggae, they talk reggae here now, now say na reduction. What you concern reggae with reduction?
Your property.
He dey outside.
No
Problem. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And please, I beg, tell this your friend. We may know they talk to me anyhow.
You not talk to my friend like that.
Next.
You talk to my friend anyhow. You talk to my friend anyhow.
You want join her beat me again?
What type of this? You now make us scatter your hair. Make
Why
sure that.
you want to bring your
Go
bring your thing.
See, my friend, next time you should do this kind of thing, eh? Come on, tell you.
Blow on, my brother.
Carry people, keep it.